Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the gamma on Sharp Android TV. To do it, simply click on the menu button on your remote while you're within some app or while you're watching live TV. And then this menu may look differently depending on whether you're watching live TV or whether you're watching YouTube, but it doesn't really matter because as you go to picture, even if the menu looks completely different, then you'll find this same exact menu as in my case. So just go to gamma and now you can set it to dark, middle, or bright. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.